Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to draw Froakie. Hope you can join me and let's have some fun drawing this bubble frog Pokemon. And just going to slightly sketch a sideways oval shape. This is the mouth area. Then I'm going to put some oval shapes on here to construct up the eyes. One eye, another eye, and then there's another oval shape. Look at that. All I've used is ovals so far, and I'm creating this character. Now, to draw the body, it's a bit more of a shape like this. You could almost put another sort of oval shape in there, and then it's the leg, and this comes around. That's one leg, and here's the other leg. See how I've got these curves that interrelate to each other? Then I've got this other curve for the foot, an oval shape for the foot. Now the hand is a curve line that comes out from here, like so. And then we've got the fingers sort of sit inside there. And then this hand comes around, and the fingers sort of sit in that sort of shape there. Okay, so looking at this eye, there's a circle here and a circle here. He's got a bit of a sad face on, Froakie. What are you worried about? Looks a little bit worried. Okay, so now see how I've drawn that, and I've got this. I'm looking at the interrelationship between the two, and this oval needs to come down and just in there behind that. That one can stay the same sort of size. That means I need to bring this one down to match that other side, so about that sort of size. See them, keep them the same, and then we've got the black part there. Now they will need to be similar sort of size, so I might need to make this one slightly bigger. Now because it's looking that way, we're going to put the white bit in, one there. On there. Now I always use just normal photocopy paper. I find that, or printer paper, I find it better to draw on than cartridge for these types of drawings because I use Copic markers. Okay, so we've got a little line there, and then we've got the eye. It's thicker on this side and thinner on this side. And it comes around to about there. Now I've got to bring his mouth out and around like this, bring it around. Now I've got to work out where it comes. So there's a line, and like the other side, it's a little bit narrower on this side. Just going to bring that across. There's this blue line through here, like that. And then this comes down, and then this kicks around, sort of like so. Exactly similar to that side. All right. Now, let's get it's almost like a cloud beard. It's a little bubble, 1, 2, and then like this. Back up like that. It's in front of the hand. So now this hand is in front, so I'm going to bring this hand down. 1, 2 lines coming down, and it's got like a little... Okay, now we've got the leg coming through, or the bottom of the leg of Froakie, and we've got a foot there, with 2 lines, and then this leg comes out around, and you won't see it because it's coming in, curving in behind that hand. Let's go with the other arm. Hope you're having a great time, guys. I'm enjoying drawing Froakie. Now there's a little bit here, same as that one. Now we've got 3 fingers, so we've got the first one coming around like so. this is the main finger, so it goes like that. And then this finger comes around and curves back up like that. Now we've got the foot, so the foot is touching the hand, so I've just brought that down a little bit, same as that one. And then we've got the leg coming up and around, and then comes back in like so. A little bit of a gap there, so that's the body and that's the body. And then we've got this white bit that comes around like this. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So 1, 2.